Yeah, this is Judge Banks. Is Mr. Davidson available? Okay. No, that's fine. You think it'd be 5 or 10 minutes? We're getting ready to start the Weekson case. I just need to let the other parties know. Okay, thank you. Bye. Bye. And good morning. The court is going to take up cause number C 20048 CPS in the interest of Adeline Nicole Wyson, a child. This case is set for a bench trial today. The trial is being conducted pursuant to emergency orders of the Texas Supreme Court via Zoom video conference. Participating in the trial today on behalf of the department is caseworker Cassandra Brose and Regional Attorney Deborah Keenum. The mother of the child is Rayanna Wyson, who's been cited by publication through posting on February 28, 2020 and May 12, 2020. She is not present. Christy Manning has been appointed as her attorney ad litem, and Ms. Manning is present. There was a previously identified as an alleged father of the child, Corey Lawson, who was personally served with citation notice of the suit. He was subsequently ruled out by paternity testing and non-suited and dismissed from the suit. Also identified in the department's pleadings as a presumptive father of the child was Tyler Wyson, who was personally served with citation notice of the suit. He also subsequently was ruled out by paternity testing and non-suited and dismissed from the suit. Both Mr. Lawson and Mr. Wyson are not present. The department identified as an alleged father of the child, Bailey Carr, who was personally served with citation notice of suit on August 4, 2020. Mr. Carr is not currently present in the courtroom. The court would take judicial notice of the court's file to the extent that it reflects that Mr. Carr has not filed any request for the court for a court-appointed attorney. No attorney purporting to represent him is entering an appearance in the case on his behalf. There's a respondent unknown father named in the department's pleadings who was cited by publication through posting on February 28, 2020 and May 12, 2020. Mr. Tom Davidson has been appointed as the unknown father's attorney ad litem, and Mr. Davidson is present. The court-appointed attorney and guardian ad litem for the child was Gonzalo Rios, who I believe, based on a prior proceeding, may be tied up in the court in another case. I'm going to take a short break here in a second just to see if I can confirm his availability for the trial today, but he is not currently present in court. The current caregivers for the child are Michelle and Daniel Brenton, and they are not present. And the court has excused the child from being at the proceeding today. Subject to Mr. Rios being available, is the department ready, Ms. Keenan?
Yes, Your Honor, the department is ready.
And Ms. Manning, are you ready?
Yes, Your Honor.
And Mr. Davidson?
Ad litem for the unknown father is present and ready, Your Honor. Mr. Rios was in a Zoom hearing on Big Lake pretrials, but that's concluded now, so he should be available.
All right, well, I'm going to try to get in contact with him and see if he's able to join us. If y'all can stand by for a couple of minutes, I apologize for the delay. I'll be right back with you here shortly. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you.
But I'm not getting any sound.
You're not getting any sound?
Oh, I'm sorry. I'm doing two hearings at once, Your Honor.
You want to do the other hearing?
No, ma'am, I don't. This is my fifth hearing this morning.
Everybody's muted. They're taking a break.
Okay.
They can see
Just
you.
like you just have to drive to do all of it.
Yes.
Where are you hiding at this point, Tom?
I am, if you find out, Your Honor.
Tom, you're not on mute on this case if you wanted to mute us.
I apologize. My fault.
Not a problem.
Okay. So I think I was trying
Hey, good to see your son, though.
It's not in queue because it's
And Ms. Drake, if you're there, I'm going to go back on the record. The court's going back on the record in cause number C200048 CPS. I have attempted to contact Mr. Rios by phone and by email and not received a response. I know he was tied up in some court actions in another county and was traveling. At this point, I think I'm going to have to conclude. I'm going to have to reset the hearing to try to arrange a time when he can be present since he represents the children, and I don't believe I can proceed forward in the case with him not being present. So I believe our dismissal date is August 28, 2021. The court will vacate the trial and reset it prior to that date on the date to be announced by the court. I apologize for the delay today, but we'll proceed at that point.